Task number 10, explaining Diffie-Hellman key exchange. This task is part of the Encryption Crypto 101 module, which is part of the complete beginner path on TryHackMe. What is key exchange? Key exchange allows two people or two parties to establish a set of common cryptographic keys without an observer being able to get these keys. Generally, to establish common symmetric keys. How does Diffie-Hellman key exchange work? Alice and Bob want to talk securely. They want to establish a common key so they can use symmetric cryptography, but they don't want to use key exchange with symmetric cryptography. This is where Diffie-Hellman or DH key exchange comes in. So this DH key exchange comes in when two parties want to talk with each other, right? Want to establish a connection. So they can use the symmetric cryptography, right? But they don't want to exchange the keys with asymmetric cryptography. We need to make some assumptions. Firstly, whenever we combine secrets or material, it's impossible or very, very difficult to separate. Secondly, the order that they're combined in doesn't matter. Secondly, the order that they're combined in doesn't matter. Alice and Bob will combine their secrets with the common material and form AC and BC. They will then send these to each other and combine that with their secrets to form two identical keys, both A, B, C. Now they can use this key to communicate. This is basically Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Extra resource, an excellent video if you want to visualize explanation, is available via YouTube, right? Let's go over there and see the title of this link, because only if you see this, yes, you can copy paste it in the URL. But I think you will find it faster if you check out the name of the video. The DH key exchange is often used alongside RSA public key cryptography to prove their identity of the person you're talking to with digital signing. This prevents someone from attacking the connection with a man-in-the-middle attack by pretending to be Bob. Answer the questions below. Understand how Diffie-Hellman key exchange works at a basic level. Yes, sir. So, secret key exchange, right? Diffie-Hellman computer file. Awesome. This is the video that you can check in order to, let's say, get a visualization of this exchange. Cool.